Hello everyone and welcome to Newton Gate Academy where we make your dreams come true. And today I have come up with a very interesting video for class 11 and class 12 students of ISC board. Today's topic of discussion would be proposal writing. And I hope you all know that proposal writing is a very important question in your English language paper. And in today's video, I am going to share some of the very important tips so that you can write a good proposal. So let's get started with the video.
Proposal writing is a very vital question and it will contain 10 marks in your English language paper. Before we move on to see the format of proposal writing, it is very important for us to know first that what is a proposal. A proposal is a plan or suggestion that is put up before a higher authority in order to get their approval and execute a particular program. Next, we are going to discuss the points that needs to be included in a good proposal. Point number 1, introduction or heading, which will contain 2 marks, and here you need to write a maximum of 2 sentences. Point number 2, objective. This also contains 2 marks, and here also you need to write a maximum of 2 points. Point number 3, list of measures, which is the most important point. Here you need to write a minimum of 4 points, and it will be containing 4 marks. Please note that you can write more than 4 points, either 5 or 6, but the number of points in the list of measures should not be less than 4. Last point is the concluding statement, which will have 2 marks, and here you need to write 1 sentence. So over here, if you see that when we add up the marks, it comes to 10 marks. Now we are going to see a sample proposal which will help you understand the points in a much better way. Let us look at the question first. As a member of the student council of your school, you have been given the responsibility of setting up a science club. Write a proposal in about 150 words stating the steps you would take to successfully establish this particular club. Now let us look at the solution of it. So as I said that firstly we need to give a title to the proposal, which is Proposal for Setting Up a Science Club. Next point is the heading or introduction, where if you can see we have written this point. To foster an interest in science outside the classroom and introduce students to the wonders and relevance of science in our lives, we propose to set up a science club in school. So if you notice very carefully students, we have given here 2 distinct points. Next point according to our format is the objective, where also we need to write down 2 points. A science club will help students overcome their phobias regarding science. This is point number 1. And point number 2 is it will be essential in developing the scientific curiosity of students through its activities and programs. Next point according to our format is the list of measures. So over here I have included 5 points, which is obviously more than 4, so it will be accepted. The middle school activity room will be used as the room for all science club meetings and activities. The meetings will take place once a week after school from 2 p.m. till 3:30 p.m. Any activities such as talks by scientists or competitions will take place on Saturdays. Membership of the science club will be open to all students from classes 6 to 12. The club president will be Mr. Sinha, our senior physics teacher. 8 other office bearers will be elected from the members of the club. Club membership has been fixed at Rs 250 per member per year. The club will have a range of activities ranging from science fairs, robot making, creating slogans and posters, documentaries, and so on. Now the last point, which was the concluding statement, this is how we will end our proposal. We hope that the proposal will be accepted so that the science club becomes a reality in the life of the school. Now, let me explain to you one by one. A heading or an introduction is extremely important because it sets up the momentum of your proposal. Objective means what are you aiming at through your proposal. Next is list of measures means the steps that you would take in order to make your proposal a successful activity. And obviously every proposal needs to be ended with a good concluding statement. Otherwise, the ending would look very abrupt. Now we are going to discuss the tips to write a good proposal, which will help you fetch full marks in proposal writing. Point number 1, stick to the topic throughout. Do not deviate from the topic or write irrelevant points. Avoid unnecessary details. Only details related to the proposal needs to be mentioned. Anything apart from that would result in marks deduction. Organize your points in a comprehensive manner. You cannot write anything abruptly or haphazardly in your proposal. It should be presented in a very comprehensive manner. Make your material easy to understand. Do not use extremely bombastic words. Yes, the language has to be formal, but the material needs to be very easy so that the proposal can be easily understandable. Write in a formal language. Proposal should be precise yet explanatory, covering all the major points.
So students, that's all for today's video, and I hope this is going to be very helpful for all the class 11 and class 12 students. If you like today's video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel Newton Gate Academy, and also do not forget to press the bell notification icon so that you can get updated with all our videos on a regular basis. Thank you so much for watching the video.